Good afternoon, country people. Then we dey glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Tori House. PG News debates for Saturday. We don't meet up again. Sabi say for inside the PG News debate, country people them with the talk. We dey talk on top this palava, plenty palava the way they don't happen for inside we country. We be get plenty things the way they pass for we country for inside this week. We just finish country people them. Sabi say we go talk on top this palava way happen for that side. So for Limbe, particularly thing we concern Ni John Frundi sesep we ide so country people them. They be denying making no go for side where they call them say sonara for sake this palava. Where it dey so place it be get small problem. Now so too we go talk inside the same palava for this afternoon country people them. This palava for SDF their neck meeting wey be happen. Palava for neck meeting where it be happen to for that side. So for inside the Yawinde country people them. We get other plenty thing them. We'll go talk this afternoon as soon as Sabim. And we go talk small if God he help. If God he help country people them. We go take una go for that side where they call them say Gabon for talk this palava them new governor where they don't make them for that side so where they don't cut number from governor people them for inside Tory for this afternoon. And Sabi say we get stranger them, we get get for talk with them for this afternoon. We get stranger them and maybe as we would prepare for this I'll go turn see as we do thing them, we get stranger them, we get Ni John where ide for that side and Ni John de for Makona and we get even a person where they call am say Oga Jang itu ide for Makona we go talk on top this palava. So as well they prepare for time for see was change the way they dey for on top plateau with we go turn for start for talk small thing them. We go start for talk palava for this afternoon. First we sabi say for inside country sesep as well the talk for this side. So for Equinox Tori House we get plenty talk that we'll talk maybe we'll go enter for inside the field first for start for talk to where they happen we as well sabi will get small thing that's more difficulty for ya. So anyhow we go surely turn for see as we they arrange all team for team them for waka fine for this side. So we'll take una go first for Limbe for inside the Tori House here. We'll take una enter for inside Limbe for talk on top this palava we Pani John Frundi sesep if we go for that side. So for inside Limbe country people them as we go for inside that side. So for Limbe as soon as sabi they be deny say making no enter for inside that side. So for Limbe and now for that side from Ngeme side where they so they deny Pani John say making no enter for inside Limbe and now got DO for Limbe to sesep it be there for try for talk for Pani John Frundi say they so Ngomna it already starts for open investigate on top that palava and for Sikada one they say they no want to say make no person he go for that side. So for Sonaram and Sabi say before Pani John sesep he come up for moto he vex plenty he be the try for ask question whether just now he don't turn a bad person for inside country. He dey ask question whether he don't turn a bad person for inside country. Sabi say this palava is surprise plenty people them for inside a country where they go deny a whole big chairman where he go for that side for Limbe for go talk to Ashia on top this palava. So for inside Northwest Southwest after we dey so Sonaram he be cash fire Pani John he ask question whether he sesep he don't turn a bad person for inside country. They go deny say make no pants for salute or for city wey happen for Sonara last after we got DO for Limbe 3 he talk for Pani John talk say okay he no dey now for he no come now for camp fight he go enter it back for a motor he continue for go bet now only them sesep from governor the sabiti wey they hide them for inside that fire wey be cash for place where they call them say Sonara. Sabi say for inside the same palava Pani John he be turn after we he finish for that side for Sonara where he enter for Motogo he no be end for that side they work no be end so for that side now so too he go for that side for CDC for both sides again he no be fit for enter for office now financial big man for inside CDC be welcoming for door. Then we be get Paramount Chief too for that side for Limbe where he be take time for talk come good so they kiki for Pani John as we he dey so for a walk away make am. Sabi say before he be one turn self go for that side for Sonaram he want go for even side way we call and say CDC and for see Paramount Chief Pani John says, if you don't already go for SDA office, yes, if you go for SDA office, now for that side, say, way it is so SDO2, it no be there for outside. So, now just the thing that we'll get them on top that palaver before we continue. Make we salute just now, we people them through. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ambassador.
Yes, and the week, how you don't see the week?
Well, the week, as we enter inside the end of the week, and we'll get plenty to go here for down. And I want to salute people that they outside that they watch we.
Yes, we already start for talk on top this palaver. Maybe before we continue, Ogajan, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Ambassador.
All right, how your weekday?
No, the weekday fine because already before holiday.
Okay, holiday 3 months. Now, which kind of advice you again for Napikin?
Now, which advice would you give that? They also the talk say peace, peace, peace. Whether so one they will go again for Southwest and Northwest, or no.
All right, we already start for talk this afternoon. You see till it happen for Yakombi, for that side for Limbe. If you want to go see Sonara, bet. You see till it happen. What do you get for that?
Yes, Ambassador, I think government they hide something from Sonara because look at imagine man the chairman, first opposition party for this country. Man with the respected worldwide for Cameroon, went for since 1990. It never ever changed a word. Something that happened for your own hometown when I Limbe. It won't go there for go see with your own eye. And therefore even bring your own idea or give some small experience. They send army, gendarme, police, but they can't block you. May not go for living. That is government, they hide something, Ambassador. Something never the way government don't do and where they hide me people, they don't see them. Because I don't think it's not only chairman where they deny it. I think people like you and me, if we want to go for government investigation or for take some snapshot, they go deny no go because the last they open, then the fear say the war will know where to them pass for Victoria for Sonoradi.
Now, when we look that thing will happen, we will talk plenty on top this palaver. Ogajan, first impression on top this palaver for Pani John from the way they deny say making no enter Sonaram and Sabi say day before Pani John Boango Limbe for Sonara, chief them for Southwest and Limbe, they don't go for the same Sonara where they say they don't lock them for investigate for happen.
Yes, you know, any door where they lock and say may man not enter it, that means something there for back where they hide according to thing where John Fundi talk. You know, if you tell me say John Fundi when a chairman if you want go see Sonara for city where it happen for it, then they deny. That means that thing where they hide them for Sonara, where government no want and say they know. They know. You know, when you preach peace, for any, if you want to talk peace, invite your enemy, not invite their friend. Think where they serve the investigation where they do and for day within them. When they talk, say na clap hand them. They'll talk say na so don't talk no, or them they'll answer say yes. So they no one say me opposition can't know where they happen for day. But anyhow a day, we must know where place where fire come out for Sonara.
Yeah, that's the ambassador. You know, say chairman, national chairman for SDF for this country. I mean national. If they feel not person like that one, national. And then I not think they feel so other person they way a pass away if you go for that Sonara because chief they don't make meeting as you first talk, rightly talk. They make meeting where this incident take place. They go for day. They give their own idea. They go down, they pray. They make tradition. Say that things will never ever happen. Why this thing happen for this kind of time? And you know, like when they talk about 500 billion to 750 billion for repairs, only investigation where you and me will make an ambassador. Now 1,500 billion for go do repairs where it do damages for 3 days or 4 days for bond, where it's around the bond. And with that money, there will be different refinery. So now what you see when the generic person like need job for that because of all that kind of thing they want to go see them and then give ideas say why if this money if we go from Indian we will go back and say we'll build different refinery. But why they want to take this money? Because we here I talk about 1,500 billion. Now because thief, just imagine ambassador, one big fee for a way field, it costs how much? 40 billion. But one fee will construct for Cameroon here, now 80 billion. That is the double the money where they thief the money. And at the same time they give up for Victoria for refinery. When they let me take this money, they build different refinery. And 1 year they talk, so they want to build different. If we give idea how they get 1 year they say we transfer the refinery, we build another for Kribi. They said they will take them for Victoria, go build them for Kribi. So now the theory of talk say that they hide something and banana will give a ripe. Put the inside my banana will ripe. So whether government height the trade day for day, one day we will know.
Now, Oga Ajana,
Yes, for say Sonara they like mango get farm pantry for where they tap mimbo. Where you get farm pantry where man they come out they go tap your mimbo. No one day they leave you even one cup mimbo. You know if you be happy. Even ancestor them for Bakweri. They reverse because petrol no fit come out Limbe. They come Douala. They move them again for Douala. Then they go sell them for Limbe. Even Bakweri people they not happy for the thing where it happened. Sonara were born. It not been a saying Sonara for government. It been a Sonara for Cameroon. And all my way get sympathy. If you one know the thing where make a Sonara a born, no na Sonara for government because government no they open enquete but they need ever closer. They never ever do investigation for the Cameroon. Then they bring with results say na so be happen. So anything where they do they work for city where cause fire. That for me that one na lie now because now we need them. They no ever talk true and they never ever talk true. Government for Cameroon never ever talk true for the country. If they don't talk true as would they so me when I tell me say for this one they don't make investigation. So tell they bring with result. Say na so a day. No one day.
Mola,
I did hear you.
I want to talk something that is which be wrong for this country because all investigation they make and they never ever come out with the result. That way the whole that they stop work, they withdraw Nations Cup for Cameroon. What we get for host for 2019 for this country. They cry, they take Mr. Kamto put her for prison because if he talk say money where they don't take her for big fuel. Me these people they can't tell you how they use this money. They take it put her for prison. Because it one fight for Cameroonians. Petrol will come off in Victoria, not for Ambazonia land. And it's dear, I don't ever talk inside this house. I don't ever talk say we get petrol for we land, but petrol dear for we land pass because we don't get the branches like SADP. We don't get them. We get them for Bafoussam. We get them for Douala. We get them for Nord. We get them for Yaoundé. But for the land where with the petrol they come out for the
not get them.
It will not get SADP.
Then how
so now where they see even petrol jet for the whole southwest, petrol jet for the whole northwest, where we get for the profit. We don't get roads, we'll get petrol. And the West petrol will get in Akuta, where we're not supposed to pay, will be the important. What they don't build, some company around Victoria, where this chaps for petrol come out with Akuta, will can build roads. John Fundi be talk for 1990, when he make a campaign speech. He talk say, we'll get bad roads for Cameroon. We will make something like a toll gate. For that toll gate, after money would come out, we'll fix road, we'll build road, we'll repair the roads. When John Fundi win election for 1992, they see some power. And for 93, Mr. President Paul Biya, he create toll gate. He create toll gate after 5 years, they privatize them. And for that 5 years, money will come off for that toll gate, we'll be things that will do repairs, increase road, because if a man is come off here, go southwest. For example.
Even for Bekokoye, roadway they go for
just imagine for tunnel.
Under the bridge. Road no day, especially
night,
for southwest.
I bet you never pass for that place for night around 8 p.m. Because only the potholes were there for that place. As you go slow for that place, armed robbers will come up for you. Because you never run any speed for that place. Why the things say for this country? We know why would he ever talk for a year? Now because he would give talk for the government in here. Maybe they need the advice.
They need to hear.
We give the advice. Now, whether every day we don't hear for the talk, we will acknowledge them with ideas. Now, why that? I'm going to be very careful.
Now, something be happen for the way Pani John, be they go for that side for Limbem. We come for understand say some people they be ask if you don't take permission. If you for take permission.
No, you're not supposed to take
permission. Now, why they are say Sonara for Cameroon, no be Sonara for government. Though government they control Sonara, but they not even me. I think go do investigation for they don't know technology. Wow, no, wow, get them. I think go do investigation. Me too, I come out with you where make and Sonara born. No person, not the way be specialist. Who get school for investigation for Cameroon? No,
Ambassador. I think when they talk about tribalism, Mr. Joseph Ewonabi started tribalism for this country. Secondly, last year he became continue with the tribalism. Because you don't imagine, say, one party system for this country, they still exists for this 21st century. You don't imagine, say, man like me John the one go for go they see me give order me right but if na CPGM na when I talk about one party system if you be CPGM where you wan comot for go for that sonora where you be member for that the house you no get any audience for ask for anybody
for who
just comot go
for who
but so far as you be opposition if na Mr. Kamto play for answer one go there they will still block you no only need John Fundi because the way they hide under the belle na dem born am na whether they no want to make people go know so I don't tell them and we will still continue to tell them even tomorrow we go still talk tingo una hide am for sonara we don't already know whether una disturb we no talk whether una block we no go negotiate una be with different refinery as una born am.
Now, another thing we don't talk, so we'll concentrate over on top this Pani John Iwaka for Limbe. We be this some way. Another aspect for the Iwaka, now see most of the big people then where they be get for receive Pani John for Limbe, all them suddenly that day no man will be there for chair. If you want go for SDO office, SDO whether it be run enter for outside, it's a main first assistant SDO, and Pani John complain say the first assistant SDO will be. Talk for he be the make it face like say don't meet on as on smelling shit. He say no understand. He want reach for CDC, even for CDC too, big man for CDC. He no day that day. Now financial person. Maybe the only person will be called a hat for inside Limbe be then a chief, paramount chief elect for that side for Limbe. Now, when you see all the kind of thing them, big people there they be get for the CV all that day they just they absent.
Mr. Ambassador, we don't cry federation for this country. They deny for Gamble we. Now say we no still want that federation or one we independent. Because we don't say and say when they appoint you with the work for a particular party like CPGM, you do work for that party, you know the work for Cameroonians. Because you don't imagine say man like chairman, where the president of the republic is respect chairman. Then small governor, small GO, it come, whether GO or SGO. Na bet of the same feathers. It run. If you say John Fundi bomb with his can't kill it, and then you the assistant, John Fundi my best way na power is supposed to respect you, give you that honor. When I talk dialogue, you can't twist your face like Christmas the shit with the smell. I think say these people they work now for CPGM, they know they work for Cameroon, and because they work for Cameroonians, I think all them get for them on their office, they welcome me. John Fundi don't meet up ministers them like Joseph Owona. When they go Bamenda go dine with chief a house. John Fundi give it back. Prime Minister. John Fundi go just come up Bamenda. Why they no fit look that example? So I want to talk to Ambassador. Make this country a better spoil and then we'll fix them. Because if we continue this way, oh my God, I bet you it go pass Rwanda in those days.
Ogajan, the big people there they begin for receiving for Limbe. No man in no show hate, that's why I don't talk. Now let paramount chief for Limbe be get time for talk with the Pani John. So they give box or key, calf key for people there they sabi that key. It mean plenty thing. You know we just then empty.
Yes, I hear you. Now what I talk for beginning say if you want free speech, if you want peace, talk now for your enemy, not talk for your friend them. They no want peace for this country. Now why they no want to say me it go for Sonara? Even Dio be so for receive Fundi as pa. No, even assistant now SDO be so for receive the manager for CDC too. A day like say they be communicate say okay, hoya me any man go. If you want talk for you, I know them day because they no want say me prove them. They no want say me talk true for things the way that they happen for this country. Now because any person where they appoint for Cameroon where be na CPD and na clap hand them. Now so don't talk no yes. Now so talk no yes. They no one person where the oppose thing where they talk. Now why that na the same people they work for the same government.
Ambassador, you talk about key because they deny chairman me no go for that side they give a key. You don't know we don't know the meaning, but I think if I could give some small idea for that key. The door has been locked and they give that key say John will go open them. And I think the time this when they go open that door with it locked, that is bring people the blind.
Now that door that for the key where they give.
Open up. Chief the paramount chief for Limbe will give this key.
No, it get a reason for give the key.
Well, deny me no go for Sonarao. It don't give key say go open that door.
That thing where they hide them.
They don't hide them. That the key that and the key for open the doors for the Ambazonian Republic. Yes.
We know they for that side. We enter for still this worker for Pani John. Sabi say when he be come up for Limbe, he be go for Kumbatu for so this continue worker. Sabi say Kumbatu they hear about. First place we enter now for inside SDA office. Ntundong Shambalen, he be she don't find. He talk with the Pani John for inside office. Pani John says he give own idea them for how they feel look out for this palaver way they worry people them for Kumba and even people them for that side southwest and northwest in general. And even SUSSF, if you even talk for Pani John, say go send uniform people them, may they continue for Lukoti as we be the tonton for inside town, but no, as we the talk, our Pani John, he talks say go enter for inside the motor, as we come, as we he come so con the people them, as we he enter for inside the motor, one time con the people them, now so to he continue for doing wakam, Sabi say for inside this wakam, after we come out SUA office, Pani John, he waka one time, he go now for hospital for inside Kumbadem. Sabi say for hospital, the big woman too for hospital. It take time for talk with the Pani John. Pani John says they say they be show the oil where they be use and burn the hospital. He talk with them. After that time, they be turn around. They be turn around with person way he dey so he be get for Siam for that side for hospital. Sabi say Pani John too. He be take time for turn for inside the hospital for see as we hospital. He be born for that side. Now, so now the hospital says that, so now the CM, since we hospital born for Kumba, it is also show say, sote today, they never start for do any work. Prime Minister don't go for the turn back, to say they will start for fix the work. But as well the hospital be born, since for February moon, sote now, zing them for the wards where they be born, all place, is also the same. So people, they don't ask question too, whether na saying governor, he get for work for that hospital, or he no get plans at all for work for the hospital, as we think there's also there for the managing, make we leave next meeting, we go surely turn back for this more time. Now, Oga Jan, when you look at this worker for Pani John Fundi for that side for Kumba, SEO be there, and right for inside office, SEO Shida Opa, he give respect, so they be the ask me they give security, Pani John say na 89, then hospital, plenty people they be surprised that security that they be give for Pani John to say no need them, so they be get for turn them back. But now hospital too for Kumba, since we they born them, so today, no nothing never change. The zinc there they before for down, the motor them, all things so they the same. Now when you look this worker for Kumba, how you check?
Yes, Pani John don't deny security. Na man he had, na man get fear because no get no fear. Now so big people they be so for worker for the country. No be say when you want come up for house you go visit for some place. Then security even store they be locked when some people they want go for some certain town. That John no need no security because it be na security itself. Secondly, Southwest, if the hospital be born na any other part of Cameroon, they for don't start fixing. If na for how we then for Southwest where it be it not be recognized. Like how where petrol they come out for Southwest, then the headquarters then for Douala. If not for different place, they for don't finish the hospital. A bit more than 3 months where the hospital born. Even one load stand they never throw them for day. Then they talk say Cameroon is one and indivisible. Which Cameroon be one and indivisible? Where things that happen for other part for Cameroon, they neglect them. And then you see how where SDO for Kumba receive John Fundi. Now what it don't happen, I say receiving now, nothing not happen. But for Limbe, they deny for receiving. They take the vamoose, they go join in where they not be prepared. SDO for Limbe and general manager. Yes, all they be go hide, all they be go now for sale. But why SDO for Kumba receiving? I say no, the kind person where it day, and they know the kind person where if the talk where if you talk, they bring peace for the country.
All right, through this worker for Nijon, if you be vexed over for Limbe, it dey like say Tari be go Kumba, had to go again. The way they receive it, SDO be there, he receive it, even big man for hospital for Kumba receive it, take it on for hospital.
I think now good example that way this one because you say that Nijon she done for the same chair, they talk like brothers. Now the kind of people that will need to work with them, the kind. Because I quite remember tell the one right O levels. Some picking fall sick. If na ye go for school and then that pikin fall sick, I don't know whether this pikin be seen an exam paper and then fever holy. But I see Mr. Chamberlain, he give a motor, he give instruction, make they take that pikin go down for hospital. They put that girl pikin inside a motor, take it go. Now the kind people in this world need to work with them. No, be say go here say chairman they come. What if you say carry bomb? You come on run, then give an assistant. Okay, lawyer assistant, say bomb, let me kill an assistant. We don't go work for ship ambassador. They say if any incident happen for inside ship, last man will come up with ship now.
Na captain.
Captain get away me see say all people when they inside that ship, me they come out, it go be last man. Even if you not die, but I die. But me everybody be safe. But if you be a whole mayor, you be a whole Geo, you see me chairman he come, you come and run. You see big man for CDC, you want come, you come and run. Let your assistant. Okay, so John will become bomb key assistant. But we be big man. When I give order, now you get the experience. You know all door the way if you come out. There are people in that world, I get for work with them.
Okay.
Yes. Chamberlain, Mr. Chamberlain.
Now, with the top this hospital, it already make more than 4 months with the born hospital for Kumba.
And that you how we mola talk.
But so today, even they sing them, no nothing they never come.
I think that the kind thing in that way, people like Mr. Atanganji, electoral administration. When I hear they say they don't carry motor, them we calculate
55.
them. So I go Southwest, so I go Bamenda.
That one na publicity.
School academic for
Now
start. This
campaign.
one, now hospital this way, it treat people. People that they were born inside this hospital. And I think that 4 months and some weeks, this hospital never get to rebuild, established. People that they lost things, vehicles, doctors and nurses, they are to the born for this hospital.
So side they work now.
I think say now the first thing that if the world will start to talk for peace, now that kind of thing like hospital. When they begin now, why do you see chairman go see him? Despite the fact that deny me no go for Victoria, but now it go for Kumba, go see damages, and from there we go for Kwakwa. Now say time quite short. You won't go see houses that born for Kwakwa after Kumba. So I the one for pray, me Papa, may God give you strength. Now my elder brother, may God give you the strength, give you the power, may continue. Even if you want to go meet up na problem, I say the block if you no problem.
All right, we go close chapter for Pani John for Southwest, but we go remain for under small politics. We talk NEC, Sabise National Executive Committee meeting session for NEC. It be happen today. Go make 1 week where they happen now, but we they turn back for them for Seka. They cannot talk the way they come up for them. Sabise one of the strong talk we and NEC people then take them like decision. It be then a palaver for say make vote. It no happen for inside the country for this year. If this palaver for Northwest and Southwest it never finish, say that one you know go help anyway for say make thing then say for inside the Northwest and Southwest make vote it happen fine. So one of the strong thing in that way people them for NEC they be talk and so they meet up and Sabi say they dey for inside National Assembly so for National Assembly side they try for talk say they be get for fight make this palaver for Northwest Southwest it be on top the agenda so that make honorable then say they try for go down for see way it happen. NEC people then too they be talk on top this palaver for people them where they cash them anyhow lock am for inside Gatam. They talk say normal no be na so country it be get for the worker them too they don't talk say make transition governor a day for before so that they feel look at this palaver the way they happen for inside country palaver too picking the way they be lost where they no be fit for right exam for seeker confusion for date for a big day for Muslim people them NEC people then talk other one inside their small meeting but one of the strong thing now this palaver for votes where they talk say they no fit so organize another vote again this year where peace it never turn back for 2 of the region there for country and again they talk say palaver for small governor transition governor where they get for putam for say they look out inside this palaver now palaver for school as well as here NEC they talk say according to them around 200 picking them they be miss exam where they no be fit for right for seeker this confusion so they be talk say me minister he gets sorry hearts but minister don't come up book minister for college book he say now only 2 picking them they no be fit for write that exam now Oga Jean NEC people them then they don't talk they ever come up for talk but all time things that they go the way they get for go.
Yeah, they not fit organize election where peace not dey. Now who they will vote? Even the organizer, you know the election how they used to take place for Cameroon. Even they no vote. Even they no vote. Now they see people they will still maintain the position. That one be said. I thank God say I been a teacher. Now who bring that message? Say now only 2 picking they mix exam. I supervise exam for this year what they talk so. I mean I invigilate. Then now who even talk say for Bonabe reward day more than 20 pikin dey mix exam that day wey dey no be right hand. I the tongue na true. And I return for media. Then news come up for Yaoundé as usual. Say na 2 pikin they lost. Now who the fool who? What the Cameroon they never satisfy lie. The Cameroonian government they even lie diamond. Say they no bury you. In fact, if I talk side, they talk this matter. Sometimes some man be talk say when they look that body for him and me one cry. If I see things the way that they happen for the country, I feel only one cry, ambassador.
Okay. Through the decision then for neck and this.
Yeah, I will start first for education. 2 pikin for the whole Cameroon where confusion dey, and what they said is confusion. Government no do anything for help students because of confusion. For Monday they say pong. Tuesday 1 year news come out for social media say school no dey. The Muslim they give a celebrate. 1 year they say no for social media. It will be for Wednesday. Picking them with confusion. Maybe all picking them they write this exam. They get television. They get radio.
They get even Android.
Sometimes now Android and when I get the Android phone now for Android phone where that news will come out. So when he talk about 2, he don't even make a this 2 picking as according to he. Me they go rewrite this exam. No, because if you see my them suffer, sell tomato for corner road, grandma picking go sell, go school come back go sell for you hate. Pay school fees just because of confusion. More talk say the 2. If you accept me these 2 picking them, they go rewrite no. When we talk about 200 now because they don't make investigation and how we, my brother Mola don't talk for that side. I think Cameroon be full of lies because they go see black, they go call them white. They go see white, they call them red. What they never call a spade. Now the thing that way you see. Parliamentarians have not stopped. They need to talk about this issue. That is the crisis will go on for this country. But I hear the other day the president of parliamentarian, they try to talk for parliament about this Anglophone crisis. I think at the time this where they get for call for slumber and other things where they call and Senate and so on. They get for council and go and see what way they work. Upper House don't get any work for this country. Because now the thing that people in that they go for the take decision for this country.
Now she don't look there. So one
I say all of them are hand clappers. Yeah. So far as you belong to the CPDM, you be hand clappers.
Yeah, they are only
anything they talk, either they sleep, you just see they talk something, some people they clap, you just wake up, you just start clap. I call the hand clappers. Make them make picking and rewrite. I think when I talk, when I beg me picking and go back for school, and then when I set confusion, when I know oriented the family, the parents, when I oriented the picking them, and then they miss exam because of Ramadan or whatsoever. I think government
and we say even the day with the 2 prayer for Ramadan. Imam, we make him for Kambeto, he talk, he beg mommy them say they sorry, and them say that we don't sabi say the thing he be get for day for Tuesday. They no sabi how we the team money turn for.
Now the thing because Nigeria they celebrate for that Tuesday.
That celebration. The Ramadan it not been a pregnancy, it not been a belle where we no say we know that the picking will come. Why Cameroon Minister of Education don't know if it draw calendar where go suit this picking them. Now who they work for Yaoundé? No, now human being there. Why they not fit draw calendar? Suited they confuse picking there. I tell you now as eyewitness more than 20 picking they missed that exam that day because of confusion
for one school.
And then they talk.
They look down
the full who for this country.
We sabi say for sale for Mongo too. People that will meet up and around 20 picking them where they be told say they be there
for Mongo. Yes.
For Mongo. Then for West Region too we get number for people that they absent. Well, na two we say we never feel for talk, but we go concentrate on top till we get them for before we go enter for National Assembly for talk say National Assembly honorable the day for inside National Assembly since on Monday and inside the National Assembly the talk way come up for day just like for National Assembly and Senate it be then I say waiting make people them for outside they no put them up for till we no concern them now they talk that way it is so speaker for National Assembly Kabayege Jibril he talk as we be the open National Assembly people them he try for talk as we people people them for outside international organization. They the only one spoil our country, and he talks say normal. No people they no fit ever make combi with people that they one spoil another money country. It is the talk that kind of people them they only get for come join up with the country for see as way they go find solution for any problem with that country he get them. Sabi to say OC Joshua we been honorable for SDF. Sabi say na be the leader for SDF for vote wey be pass. He talk say no be na time for them for the talk. Say now so na time for come up for field. Make the honorable themselves they go for Northwest away see with their own crocro eye. For the real side the waiting that they happen. No be na for can she done talk say. No be na palava for she done for air condition. It challenge all them to say make they come out. Go outside for try for city way it dey happen just now. No be na palava for she done for one place or talk. Sabi say as way all the National Assembly starts. Na so to Senate too he open. Manadimoko enter for Senate House for talk to say Senate people then too they be start their own she done in for the same day. And Nyat Marcel and Jifenjiwe na head boy for Senate. He too he talk na almost the same thing with Speaker for National Assembly talk for Palava say they so some other country they only dey na for spoil different people their own country. Say he dey call for the other country them down for them for the spoiling them. May they come meet up them governor for the other country where thing they happen. Ask question then see as way they go join heads for solve the problem where it happen. And just as I say just now, Cameroon in name it then a number one country for the world where it get palava where no man he never feels for put him up on top. So Cameroon it then have now number one place country where they get big problem them, but no one country you know the one talk for insight.
I will first start for condemn the president of the Senate and the president of Parliament, because Ambassador, you know, imagine say when they stop international bodies from talking or coming into the country for help, this problem because it don't pass through 3 years. Very soon it can make 4 years. But when international bodies send money or Cameroon lack money, you go for international body go take money. They no deny. International body don't send trucks with things and for day. It goes southwest, it goes northwest. Parliamentarians, CPG parliamentarians, they never talk say no me they no come because an international body. Senate, and they talk say all the hand clappers. When I talk to you if you help Cameroonians, yes, even a generation may not made international body no enter Cameroon. Why would I not go for fuel? See what they happen. I been tell someone and say, Muna you go make 2 days sightseeing. For Kumba, Kwakwa, Manfe. When you come go to Bamenda, you go for Bachibo, Bali, Womb, Banso. I mean just that one. From my 90 song, I not really bad that way. But although gun shooting every day from my 90, but not bad like the this place where they go. Me just go make sight. I know if the one go, they go take the army, then go yes. More than take the army, then go put them. Because man, the chairman, like how are they for you? I go make Bamenda with army. I go me one. I no get no security. So make them left this thing where they go stop inside coal houses to the year fine, inside luxurious Prado, Land Cruiser. Then they go, she don't talk, we call clap hand talk, ambassador. If you know what you happen for this side, they don't call her. My God. Make the international body they enter. UN, I don't know what they wait for enter for this country.
Now you see, you sabi say Grant can go be give them book, at least this week we just finish, we don't call and say Bible. Now according to that book where they get for the work.
Well, me that work, Mr. Tango, I don't even congratulate you because I even get hard to go by me now this other day and for Southwest for Boya. Because they were front. But the book we don't give for them. So they follow up. Now they never follow up. They tell the people they need to follow up. I think say America are gendarme for the whole world. With anything there for any country. Now they command UN where they give for enter for this country. They don't give for enter for this country. How many people they lost their lives for Southwest, Northwest for 3 years? How many houses they don't burn for this country for these 3 years? I think say I don't know whether now they be corrupted because Cameroon be first country for this world for corrupt. Whether they corrupt the international body, we don't know because for Rwanda they kill but they don't kill how the Cameroonian kill. People they don't die. For Ivory Coast, they don't die for Ivory Coast, but for Cameroon, people they don't die past how for Ivory Coast. Or now because the devil two Anglophone side them, I don't know. Now whether they take decision.
Mola Jean, Oga Jean, this palava for National Assembly and Senate where they talk say make international body no spoil different country. They call them say make they can't shit on. Talk with the country, then find solution.
You know, thing was that year name for Kava Yege, and since where are they small? I still hear that name today. You know, dog, where a time for die don't reach, and then hear smell for shit again. As you see them, they should also. You see some young man for the fate of the anything, because their time they already expire. Since where Anglophone problems start, if you don't see president of Senate for Southwest or Northwest, no. If you don't see
you know, be well.
Okay, don't be well now. Okay. If you don't see president for National Assembly for Southwest or Northwest,
they don't go for well.
They don't go
for
not my village. They don't go. No. Then now which Senate when I talk? Now which parliamentarian when I talk? Their role for the country now for do it for draw budget.
Not hand clappers.
Now I talk say when they talk say now so what they do today there, yes. No man no fit there for in order for that parliament where the opposing no because na so one and the same party. So for me,
but you and got you sabi say some of them they one for do one bet for the fact that only if they want to now one maybe one person.
Ambassador, why don't you talk like how we
you don't see president of Senate for Boya or Bamenda, no. I mean for Southwest as a whole. Now who want do? I know now they be president. Now who they don't take road then they fear for follow them. Or the one now who say may start. So when they talk say Cameroon be one and indivisible, the word is sound bitter for my head because they did like say some part of Cameroon they where people they go visit. When this thing be happen now for North, they forgo they or for Douala or for Yaoundé. But since now for abandoned zone, you know concern any person. No, because they tell me parliament for here.
Okay, and another one, maybe now the last one they will talk before we finish. Now burial for right hand man from Kunkuma, Martin Belinga Ibutu. They be bury. It don't make I see okay, we'll see get more time. So we'll talk this palaver for Martin Belinga Ibutu, country people them. Sabi said they bury in last week for his own village for that side for South region. But the thing was surprised plenty people them for that side. Now say burial for Martin Belinga Ibutu. It be just be some kind of burial where people they don't understand. Plenty they be the experts say they so they go give state burial as well they give for other big people them. Big people they be them, minister they be them. But inside the two way surprise plenty people them. Now the way they take abandon Martin Belinga Ibutu. Congo side be done the past say they like say be get hand for father way be die for that side for inside Bafia. But that one we say will never feel for confirm. But people they ask and maybe now the father is spirit says he don't start worry. Church says he be chakaram. On top the burial for this pa Martin Belinga Ibutu be the right hand man from Kunkuma. Pafru, how you get for talk on top this burial?
Normally no even get for come church. For Catholic church. But how a church na place where
politics don't enter inside.
No, it forgive people when they do bad thing. And then when you can confess when you don't do bad, church they take you. Because you never imagine say now person this way he don't do bad things for this country. I hear the other day Minister Joseph Lay he talk say some people they be talk say he be wicked, they might be too wicked and so on and so forth. If minister like that one when the same person like he use that statement say some people they be talk say that is not true say they might be a wicked somebody. Now what you see they don't give that kind of burial they give for be fitting burial for that kind man because it don't kill them do damages for this country. Now, personal be protocol for president of this country. I think now they send people them they go kill. Now it is there among. If they talk about homosexuality for this country, now people they there among. So we've seen man say je suis dans l'eau. How do they for dans l'eau where they want make investigation? Can't they want make investigation? And say he hand the inside. Now person will be talk say for this very place where I stand. Some months ago backward, I said a person this way I will see them die. He can die again 10 times. And when you go meet up that father where then die, that father he then there for that play the chair. He go beat him for the beat and me die 10 times. Yes.
Yes, you know Sunday where we'll be there for here, they will talk about how whether Bishop Bala die. You know, two where they kill Kaka and then they leave coffee. Whether now he handed it or he had not the day, it already die. And big people the day where they did for your own, they made they know say die they exist. Because so one day so they know they ever think the way they do for the country. They never ever remember say one day though as they see as they wear black coat so may any man take his share carry him for a house. Now so some one them too they will die. The man not be so I think will be the first look and first. I say I will see flag on top the
gray yellow.
Yeah, you know I know see I ask myself Why? Then the next day I see and say no be get state barrier. Why no be get state barrier? When I power be like we don't work with it will not give state barrier. I still put question mark why. Whether not because of the bad way they be talk say over there. But if you touch man for God, you know if you go without pay.
Okay. All right, we don't finish for chapter for side for politics more. We go enter for week quarter. We talk this now development. They talk say when development come, people they suffer. But the people them for Bonabasem just now, they cry. They say this got away. They so Oga Ngomna delegates for Douala City Council. Freaks turn they put them. Now fine work, but they fine work. As all the talk, they make people them for that side for Bonabasem. They hear about plenty. Only small rain way before, guata be full up so te water enter for inside people them house, wet them mattress, wet them carpet, wet chair, wet even shoes, all thing people they should not for on top chair, where they no be fit for sleep, for sika palava water where don't broke guata hole, he enter for inside house. Some of them they blame that the company says way they do the work, but we sabi say the company too way they do the work. He did do now according to order and according to money we don't take into for people the way they so they be talk for may do the work. So people them for Bonabasem just sound they beg now for Douala here. They beg now say make Ngomna or the city council where they do the work, may they try for check signs. Now fighting say they want open road may water if it for pass, but when the road is small, where small rain water, one day we rain fall, it meet up people them for house. It means say when the true rain time, it go enter we rain if it for 3 days, we no stop. People that go surely sleep inside water rain. Someone they say they will surely die. Now for Bonabasem sites, other people there they get the same kind water for their corner. Them too they suffer the same suffer. Oga Jan with the talk. Now fighting where it don't come, but this fighting it don't come with some kind of thing where it the worry population.
And the talk say development they bring destroy. Yes. But for 21st century, we not be so for experience the kind of thing for urban town like Douala. Why now they fix their gutter them? Since Douala no get no plan.
No, it's better to be late than never. Like what you talk, Mola. It's better to be late than never. You know what I mean? The government where they give this work, or the government delegate where they give this work for companies, they not get supervisors. Because nobody say they work a bad, but now the way they take about finish they work a bad. Because not only that straight that gutter,
Yeah,
the other one for different quarters.
yeah, now why that we just stop this one?
Yeah, because if you see how they build the gutter, they don't build them fine. But now the ground where they inside the gutter, it don't flop. Wait, normally when I fix that gutter, when I give a move that ground.
Now who they supervise the
So
work?
the nobody don't
engineer,
supervise.
they
If you come out like say you go Bepanda, as you come out with ambience, you go down with the climb up and enjoy their pay. That gutter don't finish ever since. But ground will flop inside that gutter. When small rain just fall, it don't flood. And I see some people that get rain water inside the houses because no man do the supervise. They fix Bonabel road. Minister come neglect that road. As a put kota, he can't tap and with your food. You the test town where they make away your food. No. I think you get some dam. Where they take that dam. We take and test and they knock and so. I think that's what they test and they do control work. Because in those days for Ahijo, when they work with Abisia RCC work Bamenda Commercial Avenue. I see how they can test road. They bring that big dam. They dam up. Kota will take so. More than 5 centimeters. But you come over road with the fixer.
Go look how they make for Kumba.
1 centimeter.
Now 2 centimeters.
After 2 months, sometimes 1 month, sometimes a month, you get potholes. Go for 1 point, they don't just fix that road, ambassador. See flood where small rain fall. And wait till the spoil kota na road, na water. Water, when water is start on top tide, the spoil tar. Go for 1 point rain fall. The whole of that roundabout, water na flood. Go for Carrefour Jeep, only for put that drainage may pass when rain fall. Oh my God! You see swimming pool. For corner SDP. Go there now, rain on the floor, but water standing, and I saw that time for them chop. So control not the way these people they give work. If they give work, then supervise. I think say Cameroon will be one of the best
country, but supervisor they know the engineer they but supervisor they know.
No go for market. They say they don't talk to me. They sell this thing for this price. You want to go to this store, you get your own price. You want to go to the other store, and they talk about control price. People that they do investigation. When they come, they give the envelope. Sorry, They know go continue. They turn them back. They know their pocket don't flop. Now system will come around that.
Okay, maybe we'll go take the last story for this afternoon. The last one. The one will be in a play. We'll go take una go for Bamenda. We talk palava some two picking them. You get one will be there around 7 and another one will be there 11 years. Where they drink yaourt, where they say now some their papa, friend is senam, even that granola oil na the same so. They say they be put poison for inside, but lucky say they no be don't use them. The only thing where they so this picking they be take them one time as we come they chop. Now this yaourt or na the same so where they picking they drink them. One time when they drink them, they say they die. They try for compare the two color them for sure with the two picking them. One around that 8, another one 7. According to way brother for house he talk for we, they try for tell we say before the same papa and friend be don't send mimbo for the picking them, but the mommy for house he be taste that mimbo, mommy get push belly the whole night. Now for them they understand say the mimbo they fine after 1 week. Now when they send the one, this time, mommy and papa, they no be their house. So they picking them, they chop one with the sabi say be consigned at them. One time, two before the one come, they be already sleep straight. Even if you get which kind of problem with your brother or your friend, now so you will take finish your family.
I think God would judge the person who do this act because I think one for finish the whole family. Now because of God, he pushed the mommy and papa. You see that mommy and mommy for CWF where come out church. Like something inside church, they can't call it. CWF. I think with the prayers where the woman go pray for church now, why that way, be among and your husband. But this picking their soul, these two picking their soul, they go haunt that man. I mean, they go haunt that man. If that man don't do now, which kind of crime ambassador? Why forgiveness? Why even go tell this man don't do me this man actual forgiveness? You want to abolish the whole family because I think if them all of them live for house, I think everybody for that because that ground oil everything can cook chop. Mm-hmm. I'm not thinking say the mommy for drink the yaourt or the papa for drink yaourt, but the grandma already bring out everything and cook chop and think the whole family for die. So the soul for that picking them, that two picking them, they go hunt that man at the praise. Since the first day when I see this video, I hear this issue. I talk say Papa God, me this picking them, me no cover their eye. But you know what? I like jungle justice because if me have the Bamenda, I know that particular man. I don't even know the family, but I know the particular man. I've hunted that man myself. Yes, jungle justice. Because this picking them, innocent picking them.
Okay.
You kill them.
Ogajang, this war case for Bamenda.
It be so
for
sad.
Mancon, if you know me mistake.
It be so sad. If not only that two picking the one that man get that. Even that one. For some man kill you, a picking way already bring her up to 8 years, 7 years. Even if that might be getting a problem with that picking there for papa and mommy, for killing a picking there. If for follow mommy and papa, but what would be the reason for even the kill human being or for poison human being when you don't know the day where they create them? I say every day where would they for Cameroon, all thing. One was working must pass where concern die. I be sorry for that family. The only thing what I talk now say that mommy take heart and make the soul for that picking them. They know leave that man free.
All right, we don't finish. We small thing that will get them. But before we come out, we get announcement. We get case of people that they don't lose. We go start with this boy where they calling him Ngunte Kenye Amanjuel. Ngunte Kenye Amanjuel. Now the first man that where they so they picky according to Tori we enter with EM. He come on for village for that side, so for Bamungum, he be the camp for Douala here. He reach for Douala, he no sabi road for go for auntie house. He be come for see auntie. He be na Johnny just come, as we ever talk him for PG na JJC. So he no be sabi place, but he don't lost. Man, I do if he get a photo for that picking. Ngunte Kenye Amanjuel. Ngunte Kenye Amanjuel. They say come on a village where they call him say Bamungum. He be come for Douala here for come see auntie, for come see auntie. But he come, he no be sabi roads as we just been at JJC. Johnny just come for town. So the beg he auntie name na Mantu Justine. If you never see him, come for Equinox Story House one time for come for 3 as we will go give more to tin way consign this year boy way e come up for village. Il a été retrouvé et conduit à la télévision Equinox, un jeune garçon âgé de 17 ans. Il se nommait Ngunte Kenye Armand Joël. Il serait parti du village Bamungum le jeudi 13 juin 2019 pour se rendre à Douala chez sa tante qui se nommait Mantou Justine. Toute personne qui reconnaît sa tante est priée de lui demander de passer à la recherche, à la chercher à la télévision. Yes. I don't try for see that one. This other one we'll go show, and this one are SOS we just enter for we hand just now. Now some small picking to we don't lost. As soon as see in name na Chenwi Desmond. They talk say come up for their house for number 14 day for inside this moon, and no man in no sabi this picking day just enter we hand just now. So as all the talk, any man we don't see this picking that thing number we say for before, you feel call them 672 699 or 670 519 418 674 786 774 672 669 925. Na small pikiwe lost for house, no man sabisa we ego. Now so we see country for this afternoon for PG News debate. Country people them. Once a big thank you, Fru.
Thank you, Ambassador. But something that will happen for Bonabelli with this way Anglophone sister was see this thing that will not be
yes, yeah. With the ESF say on top that palaver, the person DO, he don't go drive that picking them now, so they picking the B rest they don't get place for go. So they talk for good people then. Make they try for go for Bonabelli side for find that picking that they will do a quarter with you don't go drive them for salary they will do that thing. So
I want to talk say with Gangboga it opens on this seminar for Omisport. On the 24th, that is we the train picking them when at 25,000 from the register. So picking them down come last year they no get work. I think so the can register for Maison de Jeunes for Omisport.
Okay. All right.
We the make this training for 24th to 29th.
All right.
Of this month.
Ogajan, thank you plenty.
Thank you. I invite all my where small occasion where they for my house for this evening. May they come. Even you will be invited. A bunch of
if time day, I will surely come for camp job. Thank you plenty, Farel Bunya. Thank you to Francois Dikumem. We thank plenty Le Dupone for the time we give you small. We thank you to Malice for your work. Nadine, will not forget you. On a look the program for some time for 8 o'clock. Me, I will turn back for Monday for 8 o'clock if not work fine. On a whole I'm tight.